I look homeless? Do I look homeless? Hey there. Hi. I'm not really an intro type of person. We just jump right on in, okay? Hey, thank you for clicking onto this video. You see the title. I'm planning my makeup tonight. I already have a little something on my face. I'm gonna just wipe it off because it's nothing. And we're gonna take... So I'm gonna wipe off what I already had on from today. Just like sunscreen and concealer, eyebrow, mascara. Have some micellar water. Don't mind the lines that go through the camera, y'all. I'm gonna do better with filming during the daytime because when I set up my lights, it's just not right. So I hope it's not irritating y'all. Maybe I need to come closer. Let me just wipe off this concealer. So we're just gonna play with stuff. I should try to do the drag makeup tonight, huh? I don't even know what to do with the drag makeup. Should I do the drag makeup? This is how I rub my Vaseline on. I'm just re-moisturizing my face, replenishing it from the oils. Like, you know, the oils I just wiped off. Am I high already? Maybe. I don't even know what the hell I'm doing. I could just take a hit for every step. Okay, let's do that. Like a blinker is not okay with me. And I'm sipping on a little bit of shit we can't pronounce. I'm just playing. Let's begin, shall we? Come a little closer. I have my Taco Bell coming. So let's start. Should I go over everything? Is this a tutorial? Sure. I use the CoverGirl Skin Primer. Everything that I use is from the drugstore because I'm still learning how to do makeup. Back then, I didn't even like makeup. I hated makeup. I hated how makeup looked, how it felt, everything. Kinda still do, but is it society? Just playing. Am I? Okay. So that's the first step, primer. I don't know if I can do this. I got like ADHD. I can't like stay on task like stay on task like that. That was pretty good though. That was on task. Okay. My auntie is not gonna like this video when she gets home at all. Okay. Let's try to hurry up. But it's okay. She don't mind. So after primer, I go ahead and do my color corrector so I can blend it in and then put on my concealer so I can let my concealer dry. I'm telling y'all the steps before I do them, so when you see me start fucking up, you know like where I went wrong. But anyways, that's the e.l.f. color corrector. I use the orange one because and I bought this eco brush kit from Walgreens. I think the set, it was only like probably less than $20. So I'd like blend it out, blend it out, blend it. I was supposed to put that on my mustache. I always forget. Okay, so I think I've learned to use like a little bit of concealer. I'm not sure. I mean, like color corrector, use a little bit. This is a lot. Should I do a full beat? Should we do full beat or natural beat? Full beat. Full beat because we high. Of course. Full beat because we high. Okay, let's do what the girls be doing. I don't know how them girls be doing that. Did I take a hit? Let's take two just in case. Because that was two different concealers, right? Right. Sorry, I didn't mean to cough at y'all. So I let that dry on my face. Okay. Did I tell y'all? Oh yeah, I did tell you what I use. What's wrong with me? I hate this. Yeah, that's what's wrong with you. I have 57%. So it's not hitting as good as it need to hit, but it's okay. Oh, Lord. Because I'm sipping. I used the NYX. Girl, that is not how you say that, right? NYX, New York, NYX. I don't know, girl. Y'all know which one. An espresso. I switch out with black every now and then. Like if I have like a wig on, then I use black and espresso. So that was the brows. Take a hit. I get a good nice chunk on there. And I like slap it on there. I just stick them up. Sometimes if I want them slick, then you know. But sometimes I can't explain it, like that bushy look. Not bushy, but bushy. Just free, no tame, just run out in the wild, naked. Okay. Yeah, that looks good. What do you mean? Okay. So, leave it like that. Stick them. Right. Let that dry. Concealer been sitting for a long time, actually. So let's start on that. Looking for my brushes like, oh. Spray my face. To moisten it up, spray the tool. Did I take a hit? I think I did. Blend it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm too quiet. Like I done got quiet. I'm trying to focus, y'all. Let's take a hit. It does. Okay, the next side. My auntie almost here, y'all. It's okay. She either gonna talk shit about me or she gonna support me, and it's okay. Like, yep. Period. What do I do next? So I have bronzer instead of contour, but I use the contour like bronzer because it's the right color. So I'm gonna put that on my face and see how does it look for real. And do I be using the right brush? We're gonna see. Put a light on so you can see it. Do y'all see it? Oh, yeah, we see it, bitch. Okay. So just blend that forward, I guess. I don't know if I did that right, y'all. Let me know. Is this working? Do I look good? Do I look bonita? Am I pretty? Okay, hold on. I'm finna save it. Watch. Watch, I'm finna save it. My auntie finna come here and cuss me out. Like, what the fuck are you doing? Oh my gosh, she finna cuss me out. No way. overheated, girl. So I got this liquid blush. I thought it was like good, but now that I'm like using it for real, well, now that I'm talking shit about it, hold on. Well then, never mind. That was a fucking lot. Did I even tell you what that was? Some Cheeky Kiss Milani. I'm mumbling now. I usually don't use this. It's the e.l.f. Soft Glam Satin Foundation. I usually don't use foundation at all. But since this is like a full glam look, I'll do that for y'all. I use my nice clean brushes too. I don't know if this is what I'm supposed to be using. Yeah. Y'all, like I'm getting upset because my camera gonna overheat, and then that's almost worse than dying. Like, you gotta wait for a camera to cool down. What? What? Okay. We're gonna wrap this up. It don't look like I got makeup on my face. I forgot to crease my nose. How I be doing? But I don't even want to add another step to this bitch, okay? Shit. Hold on. I'm ready to go to sleep. Hold on. What I do next? We're just gonna go ahead and set and wrap this up, girl. My food just got here. You know what I mean? Maybelline Fit Me. We can get into the colors later. I don't know. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, y'all. So, I had concealer on my lip and I ain't never blended it out. Okay. Okay. Oh fuck. Okay. I forgot to do everything. I don't even know what I'm doing no more. It's terrible. Let's go eat.